Welcome back. Today it's transitions, the expression of ideas questions where the blank wants a connecting word like however, therefore, or for example. Students lose these by reading the four choices first and grabbing whatever sounds smooth. I run the same 3 checks every time, and we'll work 5 together, an easy warm-up first and 2 real traps to finish. Here's the whole method. Check 1. Cover the blank. Read the sentence before it and the sentence after it on their own before any answer choice can bias your ear. Check 2. Name the link. Decide in one word how the second idea relates to the first. Does it add, does it contrast, or does it show a result? That one word is your prediction. Check 3. Match and cut. Keep the single transition that does that exact job and cross out every transition built for a different relationship. Question 1. Our warm-up. Check 1. Cover the blank and read around it. Before the gap, scientists believed all dinosaurs were slow, cold-blooded reptiles. After it, recent fossils suggest many were fast and warm-blooded. Check 2. Name the link. The new evidence pushes straight against the old belief. Old idea, then the opposite idea. That's a contrast, so I'm predicting a contrast word like however. Now the choices. For example, would mean the second sentence gives an instance of the first, but it doesn't. It disagrees with it. Set it aside. Therefore, points to a result, and nothing in the second line is caused by the first. Cross it out. In addition, just piles on a similar fact, yet these two facts clash. Knock it out. However, flips the direction from the old belief to the new evidence. That's A. A wins because the two sentences point in opposite directions. Old belief, new evidence. And only however turns that corner. When a sentence reverses what came before, reach for the contrast word. Question 2. Cover the blank and read both halves. First, in 1858, engineers finished the first telegraph cable across the Atlantic. Second, a message that once took 10 days by steamship could now cross in minutes. Name the link. The fast message happens because the cable exists. First the event, then the thing it produces. That's a result, so I want a word like as a result. To the choices. However, marks a contrast. But the second sentence doesn't fight the first. It follows from it. Rule it out. For example, would need the faster message to be an instance of the cable, and an effect is not an example. Drop it. Still keeps an idea going despite some obstacle, and nothing here is being resisted. Toss it. As a result, names the cause and its effect exactly. B is the answer. B is right because the cable is the cause and the speed is the effect. They laid the cable so messages could fly. A result word like as a result, therefore, or consequently is what ties a cause to what it produces. Question 3. Cover the blank first. Before it, critics praised the novelist for the vivid coastal towns she invented. After it, she also drew the hand-lettered maps in the front of every book. Here, check 2 is the whole game. Name the link. These are two separate talents, both admired, sitting side by side. Neither one causes the other, and neither one contradicts the other. That's addition, so I want a word like furthermore. Now eliminate. For example,